This poem is called It's Bonfire Night. Slowly, smoky, suddenly, kindling catches burning paper. Shreds fly orange fiery, like a dragon's first sneeze, and our cat is hiding beneath the settee. It's bonfire night as a rocket bursts. Its sparkles hang like Christmas lights on an invisible tree, and our cat still hiding behind the settee. It's bonfire night, strings of firecrackers snap, like someone squeezed popping a huge bubble wrap. From his throne of flames, Guy grins down at me, behind our cat still hiding behind the settee. It was bonfire night, but now it's just me, stroking our cat who sat on my knee. We sit here alone and watching the sky, hoping to see a last rocket fly by.